Hello, this is your drone. This is the FPV camera and the spring system obstacle reader in Arctic antenna. These are two chargers. And battery is 5 pieces. And toolbox. There are some tools inside it. And remote controller. This is a cap. And propellers 4 pieces. And this is your logo. You can stick the logo on the drone by yourself. And propeller protect cover, you can install it by yourself. And this is the 5 nozzle spring boom. And this is 1 to 1.8 spring boom. This is the water pump and the water hose. Total is 8 rows, 20 meters per row. And this is the foam bottle. And this one is the charger adapter for the water pump use and filter. Okay, that's all the details.